Hey everybody. I'm losing weight really quick. People on Facebook are like, oh my God, Michelle, how are you losing all this weight so fast? Well, I'm going to tell you, I'm going to explain ketosis, intermittent fasting, which is what I'm doing. Actually, OMAD, and I'll explain that too, and macros. I'm going to go ahead and give you the definition of ketosis. Ketosis is the biochemical process, I'm looking at my notes, yeah, I had to write it down. The biochemical process through which the body produces ketones through the breakdown of fatty acids and ketogenic amino acids, providing energy to the body, brain, heart, skeletal muscles especially, which means you get clarity of thinking, you get stronger, your heart runs better, your body runs better because it's running on ketones instead of sugar. Sugar is bad for you. Yes, sugar is bad. Carbs, not all carbs are bad, but a lot of them are. And if you have your body running on carbohydrates, especially if you're like me, an endomorph, it makes you gain weight. Ketosis is probably the main thing that I have done in all of my yo-yo dieting I have done my entire life, that I have actually lost the weight and enjoyed losing the weight. And I'm going to tell you why. You get to eat good food. You get to eat good food like steak, bacon, cheese, eggs, yeah, avocados, good stuff, tasty stuff, instead of rabbit food, which don't get me wrong, I love salads, but I don't want to live off of them. I don't, and bread, yeah, you got to give up bread, but there are so many great ketogenic bread options out there. So that's really not an issue either. I'm going to give you the definition of intermittent fasting, which is what I'm doing. Intermittent fasting is eating pattern that cycles between fasting and eating for weight loss and reduction of loose skin. Reduction of loose skin. Yeah. And if you've ever been big, and I weighed almost 300 pounds once in my life, way back in the day. Yeah, I've had 2 kids, 4 surgeries. So yeah, I have the bubble gut that I'm trying to get rid of. Intermittent fasting on a ketogenic diet is a jam-up way to fix that. Okay, and I'm also going to talk about macros for a second. Macros, I'm going to give you the definition, is macronutrients. It's fat, protein, and carbohydrates, building blocks of the foods we eat. And I'm going to also give you another little tip. Fat is 9 calories per gram, and protein and carbohydrates are 4 calories a gram. Yeah. And I'm going to also give you another little tip. Fat is 9 calories per gram, and protein and carbohydrates are 4 calories a gram. Yeah. But on keto, you need to eat good fats. Don't sit there and fill yourself up on like bacon grease and lard. You want to eat good fats like a little real butter, avocados, things like that. Do a little research, and if you want to know more, I can do it for you, and I'll do a video. But basically, keto is where your body is so used to running on carbohydrates, and what you're doing is you're stopping it. You're stopping that carb fueling, and you're filling your body with good fats. And your body goes, holy shit, what am I supposed to run on? I'm going to go to your fat stores. Boom, 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 boom. And it takes a little bit. I'd started keto again. I'll explain that in a minute. Started keto again, and I lost like 2 pounds in a month. I was going, what the hell? But Miss Corona done effed me up, and I sat there because, grocery stores were low and everything. We were lucky to be able to get beans and rice, so that's what I lived off of for a few months, and I put on 30 pounds of the 50 that I lost last year. So, anyway, back to what I was talking about. Okay, your body starts running on the fat stores that you have in your flabby arms, in your face, in your legs, in your thunder thighs, in your gut, in your booty. Yeah, and it goes and it pulls from that and starts doing that as the fuel for your body. I, on the other hand, had hit a slump, so what I did is I started intermittent fasting, and I'm doing a fat fast. And a fat fast means that you eat, I've been doing about 8% carbohydrates a day, because, you know, I like a little onion in my food just to give it a little flavor. But I've been going between 5 and 8% carbohydrates a day. I'm going to show you a picture of my meal preps, and you'll kind of get an idea of how I've been eating. Okay, everybody. I had folks asking me, you know, about keto. I want to show you some of the meal prep that I have done for the week. This is Shayna's. Shayna wanted burgers. She's not doing keto because she's thin. But I made her 2 hamburger steaks and 3 hamburgers, which makes it a lot easier for me when I do my meal prep, which I'm not going to open that. I'll just open this one and show you. This is 200 grams. It's hamburger meat, Vidalia onion, jalapeno, a couple of the small sweet peppers, and mushrooms. And that's 1 cup in each one of these things. And that's 200 grams. Food scale is a definite plus. You know, you can do it with a cup measure, but a food scale makes it so much easier. And then, because I have meal prep already in there for a couple more days of steak, I just steamed a few shrimp, and I have some keto-friendly cocktail sauce that I made. I didn't have any sugar-free ketchup, so I used a couple tablespoons of sugar-free barbecue sauce, and it tasted delicious. So anyway, there you go. That's my meal prep for the next few days. I'll probably add in avocado. I like to buy the small avocados that are the size of limes. Hold on, I will show you. You have to excuse me. I've been like doing some cleaning today, and this is my daughter's Pokemon. Pikachu, we got her. I gotta take it to her when I go see her. But the small mini avocados, can you see? They're small. They're like literally the size of a lime. So yeah, that's what I do. I got a big beefsteak tomato. I have some more peppers from my mom's that I'm going to try to use up this week, and a squash. That's my... Oh, and the light protein, Amazon, $8 a thing. They're great if you want a quick meal on the go. It fills you up. It's delicious. I'll explain how to make it later. But anyway, that's a little start. Kind of let you know what I'm eating this week. And I'll probably do a little bit more this evening explaining to you how ketosis works and whatnot. So anyway, there you go for right now. Okay, guys, I'm just going to say I had to cut this one video into 3 because it was really long, and I didn't realize, you know, because I can run my mouth, honey. I'm from the South. I can run my mouth. So anyway, I'm going to cut it into 3. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it helped out. If you're interested, please keep watching, because I'm going to post 3 today, and I hope they help people out. Like I said, if you're on Facebook, if you have any questions, you can just drop me a line. If you have any in the comments, I'll tell you my experience, tell you anything I know, and I'm more than happy to help you. I appreciate everything. If you like it, please subscribe and like the video. Click that bell notification icon if you want to be notified next time I post a new keto video. Guys, y'all take it easy and have a great day, and we'll holla at you later.